Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, it's a pretty simple project, but I think it's going to be a really practical one. All I built was a box, essentially, with a lid and 2 hinges. What I'm going to do is install that in the extension part of my table saw, and I'll be able to store all my table saw accessories in there, like your blades, push sticks, and stuff like that. I got the box all built like you seen in the first part of the video. Now I'm just going to mount it in the table saw. I got mounting holes here and here on the end, as well as 3 across the extension wing. So I'll go ahead and install that now. Alright, so I just laid out my hole for right here, and I encountered my first mistake on this project. Unfortunately, what's right behind this hole is the hinge for the lid, so I won't be able to put a through bolt in there. What I'm going to have to do instead is put a T-nut there, and I think that will work alright. This side here is alright because there's no hinge on the front, obviously, and I still should be able to screw through the back. Alright guys, I got the box all mounted at the table saw, and all I did is just make sure I was a little bit on the low side here so my fence wasn't catching as when I crossed it. Then I went ahead and installed one of these store-bought handles here on the side, and I just put it on the side so that there's no chance of getting caught on the workpiece or anything like that. I also took a T-nut and I flush mounted that through the top. I just drilled a couple holes and kind of cleaned it up with a chisel. And then I was able to mount all my saw blades to that bolt from the back side, which works out really well. And right here on the side, I just added a threaded insert so that I could lock all the shims for the dado stack there. And then it was just a matter of filling everything up. I got a adjustable wrench, the wrenches for changing a blade, all kinds of different push sticks, my tilt angle, brush. Houses everything I need for the table saw right at the table saw. It's kind of a simple project this week, but I think it's a pretty practical one. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'm Ryan Nodwell, and thanks for watching.